Hi friends, yet another interesting code here. Have you heard of function overloading? What will be the output for this code? Please comment. Well, function overloading is about more than one function having the same name and return, but arguments are different. Look at that here. Here function overloading, I name it FO, function overloading. It accepts a double argument, whereas here it accepts a float argument. Both float and double are also used to store fractional values, right? So when I try to call the function with 10.9 value, which function it will execute. We can look at this here. By default, C++ compiler, it does always go through the function with the double parameter or arguments, unless otherwise is stated. If I want to make use of this float x, how to do? You have to explicitly mention. One way to do is you can mention here f to represent a float, and you look at the output. If you look at the output, it will execute this function now. Okay, even though the same function name function, this is what we call it as a function overloading. Another way is you can typecast explicitly by float. So in this case, it will also execute this function. If you don't, by default, it always execute a function which double as an argument. Okay, this is another interesting fact that in case if you are overloading, if you are using function overloading, so you have to be aware of. All right, see you in another video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.